Hello everyone, my name is Jerica Castro and I will be presenting policy formulation and implementation. What is policy? Policy is a course of action that will create a desired objective in the interest of the masses or the people in a country. It is a set of principles, guidelines, or rules established by an organization, government, or individual to guide decisions, actions, and behaviors. Here are types of policy. First, we have substantive policy. It is concerned with the legislation programs and practices that govern the substantive aspects of community work. Administration policy focuses largely upon administrative procedures. Next is horizontal policy. It is developed by two or more organizations, each of which has the ability or mandate to deal with only one dimension of a given situation. Then, vertical policy is developed within a single organizational structure and generally starts with a broad comprehensive policy. Then next, reactive policy. It emerges in response to a concern or crisis that must be addressed immediately. In contrast, the proactive policy is introduced and pursued through deliberate choice. This is increasingly recognized as vital keys to unlock the doors to both economic wealth and social well-being. For current policy, these are the set of rules, guidelines, or principles that are presently in effect, governing actions, decisions, and practices. While future policies are anticipated rules, strategies, or guidelines that are planned to be implemented at a later time. Now, policy formulation. This typically outlines the process of developing a policy, detailing its objectives, strategies, and considerations. It also addresses the steps taken to put the policy into practice, including monitoring and evaluation mechanisms. The policy formulation process involves several stages, including agenda setting, policy development, adoption, and implementation. These stages are interconnected and often repetitive. Now, for agenda setting, issues or challenges that require policy attention are identified and brought to the forefront. It involves recognizing problems, considering potential opportunities, and deciding which issues should be addressed through the development of new policies. Next, policy development. Once an issue is identified, policymakers engage in thorough research, analysis, and consultation to develop potential policy options. This stage includes crafting detailed proposals, considering various approaches, and assessing the potential impacts of each option. Then, next is adoption. After evaluating different policy options, a decision is made to adopt a specific policy. This decision is often made by government officials, organizational leaders, or relevant decision makers. The adoption stage involves formalizing the chosen policy and committing to its implementation. Lastly, implementation. With the policy adopted, the focus shifts to putting it into practice. This stage involves developing detailed plans, allocating resources, assigning responsibilities, and establishing mechanisms for monitoring and evaluation. Implementation ensures that the policy's objectives are translated into concrete actions and outcomes. Throughout the process, there may be a need for ongoing evaluation adjustments or revisions based on feedback, changing circumstances, or unforeseen challenges. Effective communication is also crucial at each stage to build support, inform stakeholders, and ensure transparency. Now, in summary, policy formulation and implementation are interconnected processes in the governance cycle. Policy success depends on how well it's planned and put into action. In real life, it's like a continuous loop where we learn from experience and keep making things better as we go along. Thank you po.